Hi, today is Saturday, April 2, and I wanted to say good morning from the Eastern Standard Time Zone. Now, I'm just working on this project where I want to do some interior decorating, but it was also a project where a person was racially profiled by the by the biomedical pharmaceutical narcotic system. Now, what had happened was this person lives in a really cool place, and very high ceilings. It's a nice little loft. And what had happened was they were exposed to drug smoke. So when this happens, drug smoke meaning stuff from like crack cocaine, marijuana, heroin, crystal meth. When they're exposed to stuff like that, what happens is they become destabilized, and the toxics from the drug smoke actually gets into the bloodstream, and it circulates throughout the bloodstream, attacking the nervous system. Not so much the respiratory system because the person is in good health, but the nervous system. So they start, getting destabilized, and then boom, they have to leave their place. And when they left their place, they were taken down to a mental hospital, which is fine because at that time, there were no beds available. So it was suggested to go to the mental health hospital. And while being admitted into the mental health hospital, one of the things that the client actually requested was to have, for example, a blood test done. So the blood test wasn't done, and what had happened was they were incarcerated with the mental health system from January 30th to January 30th to April 1st. So who knows what they did with the person's body. The person is also a melanin-rich genetic, and people in med school or studying this stuff don't even have the decency to learn about other cultures and maybe write about, genetics from a black person's perspective by interviewing people from the black community. On the other hand, because research is just so problematic, people don't even trust, for example, speaking with researchers. And even if they look like yourself, be very careful because those ones can be even worse. So, I'm just in this person's place, and I'll just take you through some of what had happened. They were exposed to the drug smoke, and it totally destabilized them. And what they were trying to do was they were hallucinating. Now, this client in particular doesn't smoke, doesn't drink. We'll put a little bit of alcohol in like cakes and, special occasion pastries, but doesn't drink alcohol on a regular basis. Maybe we'll have about that much of like, what do you call it, sweet wine or something. So I'm currently in their place and just wanted to show you that I'm helping them actually get their place back in order, and that's one of the things that we do, as environmental justice beacons. So, we're just doing some interior decorating. It's a nice little loft, so I'll just pan through it. And then you'll see what had happened was this person became destabilized and everything just went nuts. So I'm here to help this person get back on track. And it's a nice little place that they have. It's really cool. It has, a nice little kitchenette area here, and, a nice little office space here. This person also happens to be a dissertation student. So you can see there's a lot of work that they've been working on. And even we're just looking and trying to analyze what this person was trying to say when they were being exposed to this drug smoke. And a lot of problems, a lot of problems. So we're working on this project and just wanted to show you what we do as environmental justice is we process the grievances, and we also help people get back on track with their lifestyles again. So stop the violence against black folk when it comes to apprehensions related to the mental health system. Thank you.